to everything surrounding. Come with me, we're going home. The waves of the river running wild and strong and free, undeterred in her journey. She sings a song that speaks to me.
Well, this is the front yard, and the front yard view. Got the shop over there, and then we're coming around to the front of the house. Now I'll walk around back. Front door. Oh, there's Colby and Iris. Oh, and Peanut's way over there. Oh, say good morning, David.
Hola. Good morning to
There's the pool.
Where's Peanut?
She's on the
Peanut,
porch.
what's Mama doing? Come here, sit. Mom, what's going on? Hi, Mom.
Okay. Back patio. It's a mess right now. Let's go this way first. This is kind of on the side. All the wood. The little building is where all the pool equipment is. And then here's the backyard. My park. Oh, got some succulents. Got the little rock garden in the corner for water control and some elephant ears. I think this is a butterfly bush. It's getting ready to bloom. And then we've got the walkway, the brick walkway that we put in. All these bricks came from Fort Smith. They're really old. And you follow this brickway out here to this natural patio. All these big rocks that you see, all these big rocks here, These are all natural to the land. We did not put them here. We think they're, in some cases we've seen other ones, they're probably about 12, 15 feet high. So they go into the ground that far. And we've got a picnic table out here. And then that's a fire pit that David and his friend built. And then out there is a shooting table. Oh, squirrel. So again, yeah, all these rocks were here, but then he cleaned out in between them and put the pea rock down to make a nice patio. So then this is a project we just did a couple of weeks ago. We put in this rock, I call it my seasonal creek. The rock here, it's like a little river, goes out to there, and you can see it's lined up with the gutter where the gutter spouts come down. There's another one over here. And so when it rains heavy, it goes into this rock creek. I end up having a river going through here. Again, we did this for water control, but it has a natural, where it comes down here, natural grade. There's a hole in there that it just fills up that hole. Well, it doesn't even fill it up. It just goes in that hole and goes down into the earth. So that's where it was naturally draining. So that's what we used. And then I got this little footbridge because I thought it was cute. So we put this in. We put the pavers in. And then you can walk across. Right across. Maybe one day I'll finish the path. I don't know yet. Maybe. But yeah. That's the backyard. We'll go back over. We'll take you back around. Oh yeah, I kind of have some plants over here that are really pretty. Got some more elephant ears. This is really, it keeps shaded over here a lot, so I put in lots of hostas, like the shade. Got the Japanese grass. That's a hydrangea. Can't remember what these are called, but they're pretty. I planted all these last year. There's a hydrangea, it's trying to bloom. I think that's a calla lily, so I'm excited to see if that'll bloom. It came back from last year. And then more hostas and Japanese grass. And then lots of vehicles with Aaron and Ray living here. David got his new tractor. He uses all the time. Always putting up, moving boulders and stuff. And there's my Jeep getting ready for our trip. Tom will like this. Look at my trailer David found. It's a 1962 Marine Corps trailer, and we outfitted it with this Pelican case so we can put extra stuff in. It's got spare tires mounted. It's got a gas and a water can. I love it. Okay, sorry. I digress. Let's go back. And then We've got this little corner that we've put in with, that David has put in with rocks. He just put this one in yesterday, so we got to get that one all in, but rocks and trees. The pole doesn't belong there. Yep. There's the view. Let's see, I'll go over here. So if you stand at the front, standing at the front door, there's my view.